Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Friday Charity TV. I greet you with your time. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, so whenever I upload videos you will be notified. If you are subscribed already, God bless you. Today na about African German First Lady and Lady T matter. Where they fly, they go, where they do, feel they go. Now I constantly shook my mouth put. Now no say anything, just the trend now. We can't stay sit down, talk put. But African German First Lady have been last lady. Waiting they sup, waiting they happen. Like really, like seriously. How many people you want quarrel with this woman? How many people for social media you want quarrel with? Only you want they do stand out with almost all the YouTubers. Wetin happen? Wetin happen? What is really your problem? I don't understand. Make everybody just leave YouTube for you. Make everybody just come up for YouTube for you. May only you take the YouTube. As long as say person get Gmail account, everybody get YouTube. As far as you get Gmail, you get YouTube. So Gmail people wey can't do it like that, say everybody wey get Gmail account get YouTube. Why you say now you can't dey pepper for body? Eh? If person even they imitate you, they do something, you supposed to be happy. Say you be person role model. Say person they imitate you, they do something, you are supposed to be happy. I don't know the one way you can't pepper you for body put. The one way you can't pay me pass for inside now. Okay, you and person go get quarrel. You and person maybe they vex for the person. I don't know. I don't know what the person do. You wait, be say you can't dey boil you for body. Must you bring the person family and the children on social media? Like really? Like seriously? As a matured woman and as a reasonable person where you call yourself and your fans they call you, you're not supposed to they bring person children and the family matter on social media. You go just where talk to the person like that. You figure exchange words with the person, leave the family, the person family out of it. You know, say you not still mother, you not still wife. Okay, you don't get how you take talk to that person now. Talk to your family, the person not still bring your own family come outside. Now you they drag your family name to the mond by yourself, African German First Lady. Now you they drag your family name to the mond. Because if you respect yourself, leave people family, they no go come talk your family. And another thing we see they boil me for inside, they say this true dreams with Lady T after so they talk say husband they maltreat so. The point not be small pikin o. No be small omomo of 2 years, of 3 years, they say they maltreat, go keep quiet. Una know how these black children for Europe. They sharp, talk less of white speaking. Wait, be say they go school. If they expose, he get phone. If they maltreat that boy, the boy for don't go report by himself. If they go school, if they come outside, if for don't talk am for school, and they for even say and say that they maltreat am, not be small pikin. Eh? Why you go come and you go the lie for the man here? Say the man they maltreat the pikin, the man they beat the pikin. Okay, you bring picture more, see how the boy body, where that man fool the boy body. We not see proof. We not see proof. We not see anything. Eh? More now stop this thing. One they do. We not go run come for social media because say people they YouTube. People don't fair they YouTube. Okay, we just they come up now. Which I don't understand. Which lesson you can they give to us? Okay, come in and say if they find view or with they find subscribers, you come in to use person name. Now what if they teach us with that? Now what if they teach us like with that? Okay, you say people don't feel they find your trouble, they don't feel they find your trouble, you need to come outside, you need to come talk. When you know your kukuma rest, since you know say you don't feel they keep quiet, kukuma just keep quiet. Kukuma just keep quiet. Eh? Because this one way they do so you they disgrace yourself, not be the person you they disgrace. Not be the person you they disgrace, you they disgrace yourself. If I know they watch all this sacrifice where you just they talk, just like really, like now person wife, now be the person mama, now be this. That kind of thing, if I catch my mama for that kind of thing, Say come outside, they do saga with people. Come they talk, come they bring people matter, come and come they. I go very well my mama say if I see my picture, say person come bring my picture, come outside, say now so you first do saga with the person. Stop this thing when you do. You not only they spoil your name, you they spoil your husband name and your children name. Now you they spoil, they go. See everybody now they say, may you go bring DNA test for your pikin. Okay, how you suffer stay you don't find trouble with anybody. All this kind of thing for no they come outside. All this kind of thing for no they come outside. And this lady thing after speaking, you know go cry meet you say, German first lady, I beg, let me bring her come outside. My mama and my stepfather they maltreat me. He not go cry meet you. The boy don't go meet anybody. That boy don't grow enough. That boy don't grow to get sense to fit do things by himself. If you be say that they maltreat, if you don't go police, if no police number, if you don't go police, if you don't still even talk for school, the boy if they play football, if you don't still talk to people. Now why speaking? When they know the system of this Europe, when they know as it be. So now they spoil that man name because you and your wife get problem. Or can they spoil the children name because you and their mama get problem. If now they do this saga of a thing, Mona they remove una children for inside. Make shame still they catch una. Make una they remove una children for inside. Make una do one within. Mona just do una go turn. Una go turn. And all these children safe. Even though mama and mama they quarrel, children they go just they play. They go they play. Oh. For example, now your pikin knock my pikin. Me and you come dey quarrel say why your pikin go knock my pikin. Then your pikin will knock my pikin. Before we even turn back, we don't see their children. They don't sit down. They don't they play. So what are we now saying? What are we now talking about? African German lady, I beg enter house. Enter house means something they do your own. Leave people I beg. Leave people past life. Leave people children. Leave people marriage. Lady T first do that video. She not mention your name for that video. They say a clear heart fears no accusation. Okay, she not mention your name. Everybody, many YouTubers did that journey. Not be only you be YouTubers where they journey. Not be only you be YouTuber where fair they Italy where can't go journey. Many they okay. Why you say those one no come outside now? You can't come outside. That means not truth now. Because if the thing not be true, if you not pay you for body like that. If you not pay you for body like that, if you know you react like that, as a person not be you, you go rest. Like me now, if the person they using direct, they call and they talk. The person not call my name, I not see my name for them, I not see my picture for them. He not consign me. Even though I really do that thing, as fast as the person no mention my name, he not consign me. He not consign me. The person no mention my name. The first time when Lady make that video, she no mention your name. She no even put your picture. Now after you can't charge, you can't jump, come and say, phew. Now that time now Lady T come bring your picture, come write and you see how you can't disgrace yourself now. You see how you can't disgrace yourself now. And the ones who they call themselves mothers, who don't mature enough, who go still even calm the thing down. Now they go even see they do the worst thing for inside. Now they go they do the worst thing for inside. All those mothers who be say they don't mature, where they supposed to even see call their younger ones come and say this one don't do like this. Now they go call them even they put fire. And all those fans say, all those fans they know you all know the one where they dey for inside. If this one they talk to this one, if this one they talk to this one, they go jump on here, they go come contribute, they go they write bad comment about that one where they talk to. If that one still they talk about you, they go still go there, they go come contribute, they go write bad comments. Wait, all those people say they no get work at all. Now you they find one quarrel, now you they find saga. One I want go they contribute, put fire, not can weapon, give her like this, do her like this, do her like this. You yourself now, your body got the charge. Your body got the charge. Because you don't see people wait join you. You don't see people wait there by your side. They want to know your dirty secrets. All those fans, they want to know things about you. They know say if you talk about this person, that person will go dig your own, come outside, come talk. That is why they say, put fire. You go see person now for that Lady T on. Go they tell Lady T say, put fire for your own. That same person wey go dey tell Lady say put fire for your own, the person go still call you own African German first lady. They tell you say put fire for Lady T own. Who con dey and Mona still dey use una sense sometimes abeg. Mona still dey use una sense. Una wan do something, Mona no let person dey tell una say do this thing. Mona dey do am on una own. Those people they want know in and out about you. Make I just tell you the truth, my sister. They want know in and out about you because if they tell you say put fire, they know say that person will come for you. Yes, they know say that person will come for you, and when that person come for you, go see they dig, come out, they go still go they laugh you for back. They will go they laugh you for back. And make I still tell you one thing, African last lady. Nobody will not get dirty past. Nobody, the past is the past. You don't need to remind anyone about their past. You are not God. You are not God. God will give person second chance. God will you pray to go forgive, He will give you second chance to live another life. Eh? Talk about say you will be human being and you go dey dig person past, go dey dig person past, go dey come outside. Like real, like seriously. Person past na person past. So let's leave the past behind. Anything person don't do for the past, now it be the past. Leave one like that. Now she is married, she has kids. Leave her with her family. Leave her with her family. Eh? You yourself, you get past. She get past. Me when they talk for you, I get past. Nobody will not get dirty past. So you are not in the right position to go and be digging out somebody's past life. Somebody, anything she do for the past. Now the past, this is the present. We are talking about the present. You never see arm robber where busy he go carry going. It don't take many souls. It don't take many lives. That arm robber tomorrow, he will still come out to save souls. He will still come out to preach the word of God into people's life. He will still come out to heal the sick. He will still come out to deliver people. That arm robber. If God feel forgive arm robber wey be say carry gun, he don't take souls. Who be you? Wey be human being? Wey go come dey criticize person like you? Eh? I never hear say you do saga with another person apart from YouTuber, African German first lady. We know what you they do. We know your show. We know what you they find. So just rest, just enter house. Just enter house. Just this lady Tio may just use you. May you all stop for here. Just stop for here. Because you see the shape for yourself now. Almost all the YouTubers. For I'm not telling me not come for you. Feel come for me. My name na Charity. What you want talk again? Talk. Carry my picture. Put for your wall. Because now what we know you for be that. You not go pass like that. Oh yeah, I dey wait. I just want to talk my peace of mind for here. If you like, do anything tomorrow. I no go come for you again. I don't want to talk my own. I don't want to talk my own. And it go end for here. And it go end for here. Now so mature person supposed to do. Yes. Now so mature person supposed to do. If you talk something, you leave and make it go like that. You talk and you leave it. Let it go. Now we say you can't do part 1, can't do part 2, can't do part 3, can't do part 4, can't do part 5, can't do part 6, can't they do saga, can't they do saga, can't they do saga. Now saga now you open YouTube, can't they do? Almost all the YouTubers now you they quarrel with. You know they shame for yourself. Me I they shame oh, Me I they shame. They don't go close YouTube because of una. I'm gonna leave us mostly they express ourselves for the YouTube. More than leave us, more still know people when know what to carry they come YouTube. More we still do what to make us come YouTube. May they not because of now go close YouTube. So quarrel, you quarrel with this one, you quarrel with that one, you quarrel with this one, you quarrel with that one, you bring it. Now your husband and your children just a pity for because now they see they suffer later. Because if you don't bring people husband, bring people children come out, they will still bring your own, they will still bring your husband come out. Oh God. Though now yeah, I will talk rich. Now yeah, I will talk rich African German first lady. Rest make you enter house. Enter house. Leave YouTubers alone. Leave YouTubers alone. I never hear say you come out, come do saga with people where we don't know. I never hear or say you come out, come do saga with people where we don't know before. Now, social YouTubers. If you don't see the person, don't they grow. If you don't see the person, don't they grow. Person don't they grow. You can't find way to take bring that person down. It's not good. It's not good. If that person come down, wait till you go gain. Wait till be your gain. Everybody they YouTube they do in you. Now marketplace you go see say this one go dey sell crayfish, this one go dey sell crayfish, this one go dey sell crayfish, this one go dey sell. Though they sell the same thing, but they go still dey happy within themselves. When it come be say now this YouTube now, go come dey cause quarrel, YouTube wey be say person go you carry camera or carry phone, face itself, take talk, take express itself. Go come dey cause quarrel. Not be say una every day the same market, not be say una dey see every day. Now just internet now they spread and they go for her. Then place your person they jealous for. God. Now wow, nothing person no go see for this life. Ordinary YouTube again. Now jealousy still dey. Wait you want to talk for people where they sell the same thing for markets? Which lesson you call they give people where they sell the same thing for markets? Where be say YouTubers, they quarrel within themselves. They make una stop and beg. This YouTuber said, we YouTubers, we supposed to get YouTubers Association where be say we go even they shout out ourselves, our channel. Now so it's supposed to be. We go they shout out ourselves. Sometimes, even though now once in a year, end of year party, YouTubers supposed organize and we go meet for one place, we go still sit down, go still join. Our fans go still see us. All the YouTubers go sit down. We not like that kind of thing. We not like that kind of thing. Make una stop this saga of a thing. I beg. More than leave the YouTube for people who know what they can't do for here. People who not free they do their own. More than leave them for them. Lady T not be troublemaker. Since I didn't know Lady T, I never see her they do saga with anybody. I never see her they do saga with anybody. You don't know that woman quiet, she know they talk. Then you go see now Lady T matter you want bring on this year. Now wow, I beg make we change. No, we change our ways. So YouTubers we suppose unite as one family. Now yeah, I will talk my own wish. Wanna give me thumbs up, I know say her fans not go still give me thumbs up because I can't talk to their mama. I don't talk my own, I don't enter. Now bye bye. See you guys in my next video tonight. Come your way next time. I remain your baby girl Friday Charity. Ciao. Tupe.